In this video, we're going to go through an example of using the BLACKBOX Web IDE in addition to the Figma integration, where the user here can directly take the link of a Figma design, and now we've imported it. We can tell it to build this. And what this will do for the user, it's going to open up a web-based IDE with a BLACKBOX AI coding agent loaded directly into it. And it will be able to implement the Figma design as it was provided. And not only can the user have the front-end implementation complete, but also this will allow the user to go past it and let the agent also finish the backend implementation, make it into a more complete product. So here, it's taking this design that was provided, and what it will do right now, it will be able to, the interface shows a Dropbox clone, a sidebar, a main content area showing my cloud, a search bar, user profile icons, all files, recent files, storage usage indicator showing 75%. So now the agent is taking a look at the different components that it can leverage to execute this implementation. And once it finishes the implementation, it's going to provide the user with a public link, since this is all happening on the cloud. So it's going to give the user a public link that they can test whether this implementation was successful and keep iterating on it. So it's looking for the right components. Here's the plan: layout structure, sidebar component, main content area, key features. And now it just began with the code, writing the different files. We have the layout file over here. This is for the main page. Let me create the main page component, and we can see where the agent is going to be going in its implementation. This is the plan that it decided to implement. The user is seeing the agent here in real time. They can pause, they can edit directly the changes. Now it ran the server for this, and here we're now able to open it in the browser or to have the preview of it. We're going to open it directly in the browser. And here we see the Dropbox clone implementation directly from the Figma design. So we see exactly what we intended to see. Now also the agent is going to go through and do its own set of testing, but here is the usage, here's the files, here's the recent files. Recent files are here. These are all the different files as well. The user menu over here. This is the side navigation. So this is the same side navigation. Welcome to James. So as you can see, it started by having an initial Figma design. Now it ran this on a server with the full front-end implementation. And from this point on, the user can very simply do the complete backend. And also the agent spun up a browser agent that's going to do its own series of tests that's going to confirm whether there's anything missing or any discrepancy with the initial instruction, and do all the corrections and make any enhancement that is needed as well.